Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 347 Ford 425 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1965 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, we have the 347 Ford, power forged pistons in there, double roller timing chain, high flow aluminum water pump, brand new balancer, Russell heavy duty fuel line, gas filters on there, oil pressure extension, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, red ignition wires, made in USA, Taylor. All the wire markers are on there, brass freeze plugs installed. Customer wanted the red engine block, we have that. He also needs the rear sump oil pan for his suspension applications, we put that on there. Oil stick and tube. It's real nice polished ball milled valve covers with the matching air cleaner. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and tested for over 45 minutes. We'll set the ignition timing, dial in the Holley menu screen, set all the settings for you. It'll be plug and play, ready to go. We have the automatic flex plate on there, proper tooth count and balance for the 347 Ford and the customer's automatic transmission, proper flex plate. PCV ventilation line, Russell heavy duty on there. Proper thermostat housing for the 65 Mustang. Thermostats installed, bypass hose. So again, this is the way you get it, custom built for your application, ready to go. Thanks for watching.